Dive into GRE Blogs. Boost your GRE Prep. Hello learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into an essential resource for your GRE preparation, GRE Blogs. Whether you're a newbie just starting out or someone in the middle of your prep journey, these blogs can be a treasure trove of insights and strategies. So, let's explore what these blogs offer. GRE is not just about knowing the syllabus. It's about strategy, understanding patterns, and keeping up with the latest tips and updates. Blogs, often written by past test takers or GRE experts, provide 1. Real-life experiences. Get first-hand accounts of what works and what doesn't. 2. Study tips and strategies. Fine-tune your preparation with expert guidance. 3. Motivation. Reading about someone's journey can reignite your own passion. 1. Study plans. Tailored schedules that guide you on what to study when. 2. Topic breakdowns. Deep dives into specific subjects or sections of the GRE. 3. Practice questions. These can help reinforce your learning. 4. Test day tips. Make your exam day smooth with advice on what to expect and how to manage time. 5. Debunking myths. There are plenty of misconceptions about the GRE. Bloggers help set the record straight. 1. Consistency. Make it a habit to read a post or two every week. 2. Engage. Don't just be a passive reader. Engage with the content, leave comments, and ask questions. 3. Note down important points. While reading, jot down any new strategies or insights. 4. Implement. Knowledge is only powerful when applied. Implement the strategies you read about in your studies. 1. Credibility. Check the credentials of the blogger. Prefer those who have a high GRE score or are known experts in the field. 2. Style. We all have different learning styles. Some prefer detailed articles, while others like quick tips. Find blogs that resonate with your style. 3. Updates. Ensure the blog is updated frequently to get the latest information. 4. Reviews. Check out reviews or feedback from other readers. This can give you a sense of the blog's value. That wraps up our deep dive into GRE blogs. Remember, while blogs are a fantastic resource, the key is in how you use them. We hope this guide helps you harness the power of blogs in your GRE journey. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and best of luck with your GRE preparation.